In this app, we are going to make splash screen app. So for that we can use two to three functions like countdown function and handler dot post delete function. So now here in first part we are going to use countdown, and in the second part we will use post delete function. So let's create one more activity here. Second activity. Okay, now here this is our second activity. In that I'm going to put all the code. This is drag linear layout that we implement in the last video. Just right here drag linear layout, and here write relative layout. Now copy this code and put this code in the second activity. Now let's run this app without using any concept of splash screen. So here we can simply start the second activity. Get application one, and our second activity name is second activity dot class. Now run this app. It will take some time. So as you can see here that it is working perfectly. This is our second activity. Let me start this app again. Here start this too. So this is our main activity and this is our second activity. So now we have to uh, stop our app around 1 second in the main activity. Then we have to call the second activity. So for that we are going to use delayed functions. Maybe we can use handler and countdown timer. So uh, first of all, the background of this app will be purple, and now in main activity here just implement that function new countdown timer. Here we have to give two parameters. First one is that how much time you want to stop this app here, and the second one is iteration, how much time we have to give in each iteration. So here I am giving 1 second. Then we have to implement all the methods for that we can. So here are two methods. We have one is on tick, one is on finish. So this on finish function will called in the end, and this on tick function called every 1 second. If you put here 100 millisecond, then this function called 10 times. So here after 1 second we have to call the second activity. Now run this app again. Like you can see there that it is stopping for 1 second, but we have to do one more thing here. We have to disable the action bar. Here no action bar. Now run it again. Now we will implement the second method, that is the handler method. So here it is working fine. Now the second method is handler. So for that uh, we have to write like this. Remove this thing. New handler dot post delay. Basically, the handler function will stop all the operations in this app. That's why in 1 second or 2 2 seconds, how much time you want, it don't do any operation. New runnable, and here we have to give the time like in 1 second, and then here we can call that start activity function. New intent get application function, and here the activity name is second activity dot class. Run this thing again. So this is also working like the last one, and we can use one more function here, that is window dot layout parameter dot flag full screen. This function will help us to show that splash screen in the full screen of app of mobile phone, like this. Okay, so this is for this video, like that we can create a splash screen in our app.